In this lesson, I will explain to you how to solve the equations. And this lesson has 4 parts. So one by one we will do our lessons. So kindly practice the questions, that it will be very easy for you to understand the concept how to solve the question, how to solve the equation. So our first question is x plus 5 equal to 7. And here I have mentioned again x plus 5 equal to 7. Why? Because I will explain to you two different methods. This is the very basic method which you learn in grade 3rd, 4th and 5th. But this is for the higher level 6, 7, 8. If you go onward, you have to use a little bit higher level, or you can say the direct method. This is the basic, right? So first of all, you should know that this is the is equal to sign, and this is the left hand side of the equation. See, this is the equation. X plus 5 is equal to 7. So what we are doing, actually we are going to calculate or to find out the value of this x. This is the variable and we have two integers 5 and 7. So x plus 5 is the on the left hand side of the equation, while 7 is on the right hand side of the equation. Okay, so we will start the question. X, how to find out? This is x, right? And then plus 5. Write down x plus 5. Whatever you have on the left hand side, write down as it is, x plus 5. Right? Then what is the next step? You have to get rid of this 5. We want only x on the left hand side because we are finding the value of x. So how you can remove this 5? This is positive 5. So if I will write down negative 5 here, it will cancel out each other. Suppose if you had 5 candies and you gave these 5 candies to your friend. So how many left? 0. So we have to make it 0. How you will make it 0? Suppose if it is positive 5, make it negative 5. If there is suppose negative some number, negative 2 or negative 3 or negative 4, so make it positive 5. Just make the opposite one. So this is the plus 5, make it minus 5. Now this is the new left hand side and equal to 7, which was already there on the right hand side. So whatever operation, whatever function you will do on your left hand side, same thing with the same sign you have to do on the right hand side. So what we did here, we add minus 5. It was not here, right? It was not here. The question was x plus 5. I wrote it minus 5. So whatever you will do here, you have to do on your right side as well. So we will do minus 5 here as well. Now this is positive 5, this is negative 5. They will cancel out each other. Only x is remaining on the left hand side. X is equal to 7 minus 5. This is 1. Grade 1 math. 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, or the value of x is 2. This is answer. Again, one more time, I will repeat for you. Whatever you will do on the left hand side, you have to do the same function, same operation on the right hand side as well. If on the left hand side you have positive number, make it negative in order to cancel out these two numbers. If you have a negative number, make it positive. This method we use when you are in grade 3, 4, 5. Here, this one you have to use when you are grade 6, 7, 8 and onward, right? So x plus 5 is equal to 7. This is the left hand side. This is the right hand side. Both questions are same. We have to find out the value of x. X is equal to, write down 7 because on the right hand side we have 7. Here we want to find out the value of x. So only write down the variable on the left hand side. Nothing else. Whatever is here, do not write it. Only write x. X, Y, Z, whatever variable you have here, right? Right hand side, write down whatever is there. We have 7. So now we have to solve this 5. What we have to do this 5? Take this 5 to the right hand side of the equation. This is equation is equal to. And when this is the positive 5, right? When you will take this positive 5 to the right hand side of the equation, automatically this is the rule, its sign will change. This is positive 5, it will be negative 5. If you have a negative 5, it would be a positive 5. And then same thing, x is equal to 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Answer. So what I did, on the left hand side, write down only the variable. Right hand side, write down whatever you have on the right hand side. Whatever is remaining, just bring to the other side of the equation, and then you will get the answer. This is the very basic, because we are starting how to solve this equation from scratch, right? Gradually we will move on. So next question is y minus 8 equal to 1. First I will show you grade 3 method. Y, this is the variable, and whatever is with the variable we have to get rid of these things. So this is negative 8. How we can remove this 8 from here? This is negative 8, make it positive. If it is positive, make it negative. If it is negative, make it positive, vice versa, right? And on the right side, we have 1. So I told you, whatever operation you will do on your left hand side, same operation with the same sign you have to do on the right hand side. So what we did here, y minus 8 was already there. We just add positive 8. So you have to add positive 8 here as well. So this negative 8, positive 8 with the opposite sign, exact same integers cancel out. So only y is remaining here. Y is equal to 8 plus 1, 9. Here I will show you grade 6 method. What I told you, on the left hand side, write down only the variable. We want to calculate the value of y. Write down only variable here, equal to right hand side 1 is there. What is remaining? Negative 8. So take this negative 8 to the other side of the equation, and it is negative 8. When it will cross this is equal to sign, automatically it is the rule that its sign will change. It is negative 8, now it is positive 8. Here on the left side it was negative. When it crosses the equal to sign, its sign will change. Now it is positive 8. So y is equal to 9. Answer. Right, one more question we will discuss. Z plus 7 is equal to minus 1. So what we have to do first? We have to remove this 7. How we can remove this 7? X plus 7. So what is the opposite of plus 7? Negative 7. Equal to minus 1 is already there. So what we did on the left hand side, positive 7 was here, we add this minus 7. So the same operation you have to do on the other side, right side as well. This is positive 7, negative 7 will cancel out. So z is equal to minus 1 minus 7. Minus minus plus. Yes, you have to write down my 8. But what sign you will use? We will use the negative sign, because we are doing plus and minus. We are not doing multiplication or division. The sign will change. Minus minus plus if we are doing multiplication. Minus minus plus you have to add, but sign will remain the same if we are doing multiplication and division. Here we will use the 6th grade method. Write down variable on one side is equal to right side as it is. What is remaining? Positive 7. So bring this positive 7 to the other side of the is equal to sign. When it will come on the other side, its sign will change. Its sign is minus 7 now. So z is equal to negative 8. Same answer. One more question. A plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 2. So childish method is a plus 5. So how to get rid of this 5? If I will write down minus 5 here, right? And on the right side we have 0 plus 2. So I told you, whatever a plus was A plus 5 was already there. What we add extra? Minus 5. So same thing you have to do on the other side as well. This would cancel out. So A is equal to 0 plus 2 minus 5. So positive, negative will be negative 5 and then 3. But what sign? Plus, minus? Do not say minus, right? Plus, minus, minus in the case of multiplication. Here we have to use the sign whichever is bigger, 2 or 5. So 5 is a bigger than 2 or larger than 2. So 5 has a negative sign. That is why this negative sign is here, right? Okay. So here A, only the variable on the left hand side, right hand side write down as it is, whatever you have. What is remaining? Positive 5, bring it to the other side of the equation, its sign will change. So again A is equal to minus 3. Right? I hope then it is clear. So this is the practice problem. I have mentioned 5 problems here. These are the answers. You can solve it, practice it. It is still you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.